everybody. I am back again. I'm still on my walk down my driveway. I have a creek that runs right next to my driveway. That's what you're looking at right now. And all of this lovely water makes for really good plants and herbs growing. So I wanted to show you another new friend of mine. I came across her when I was out walking just the other day, and I really like this plant. Before I even knew who she was, I liked her because she's my two favorite colors. So she has green leaves, kind of in the shape of a heart. And the coolest part about her is that the bottom of her leaves are purple, which is super fun. You can see very, very purple bottom. And another cool thing about her is that she has two different types of leaves. So on the bottom near the ground are the heart-shaped leaves that I just showed you that are purple on the bottom. But also, she has a different leaf as she grows, just like this one. So this one looks a little bit different, as you can see. It is not a heart shape. And then, I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully it will get clear. Here we go. Michaela with technology doesn't always work. There we go. So I really like the bud of this plant because to me it kind of looks like a jellyfish. Little tiny jellyfishes. And eventually, all of these little purple pods are going to turn into golden flowers. So let's see. There will probably be like 10 or more flowers coming from each one of these. And another cool thing about this plant is as it grows and gets taller, the purple underside of the leaves starts to go away because they're putting all of the color into the flower. So this plant is called golden mugwort, and I hope to show you a few more as I continue my walk, so stay tuned. Okay, this is perfect. I came across some more golden mugwort, and I wanted to show you what I was talking about earlier. So as you can see, this plant has gotten quite a bit bigger. This one right here has gotten much taller than the other ones, so they are growing. And as they grow, the purple underneath the heart-shaped leaves starts to go away because they're putting all of their energy into the flower part of the plant. So maybe some of these little ones, some of them might still be a little purple, but it looks like most of this plant has started to grow up, which means the purple goes out of the heart-shaped leaves, and soon these little buds will become gold flowers. So this is my friend Golden Mugwort, and she is just incredible. Thanks for listening. Bye.